This tutorial is the Wi-Fi connection for AirClip. If this is your first time using it, we recommend updating the firmware. You'll need to install a separate antenna. The connector is IPX3. Take the antenna out of the package. Please do not install the antenna while the device is powered on. The package also includes a 2-pin power terminal for 5-volt supply. Antenna must be installed. Loose antenna can lead to weak signal and overheating. When using it for the first time, connect manually to the AirClip hotspot, and then you can link to your own Wi-Fi network. Look for a Wi-Fi network that begins with fly WBTN. Once connected, visit 192.168.4.1. You can set it up using either your phone or computer. When you see the network, go ahead and click Connect. After connecting, a new IP address will appear. You need to connect to this IP and make sure your device is on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure your device is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the AirClip device. After logging into the new IP address, we'll need to enter your Wi-Fi password again. Once you've completed these steps, the Wi-Fi setup is done. Click on System Settings on the left side. We will do some settings. Printer type, choose Clipper from the available options. Enter your printer's IP address here. Next is the API key field. You can ignore it. API key is currently not supported. Enter the port of your Clipper host. Default is 7125. If a different port is used, enter the correct one manually. Click Submit to complete the process. If the connection fails, double-check that the IP address and port are correct. Check that your printer and AirClip are connected to the same network. Next, we'll add a wireless button. Click the plus to add a new button. After pressing the button, it will automatically detect your device. Then, on the second line, enter the name you'd like to give your button. Here, I've set it to Homing. Then select Execute G-code in the fourth option. Set the home macro to the G-code command. Then select Confirm to add to complete the process. Let's give it a try and see if it works. You can also set up buttons for other functions, such as preheat and emergency stop. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.